Hi you guys, it's the Blonde Bombshell, Blondie Lockhart. It has been a minute, hasn't it? I have not done a hair video in what seems like forever, and this is why. My lovely box braids. Love to sling them. Love to sling them. And they're booty braids. I can't all the way down, but just know they go all the way down, okay? They're quite long. And I love them. I got them done almost 2 months ago. And that is a long time for me. I usually am like I keep braids in probably for like 6 weeks. That's usually about my time, just because I'm so used to washing my hair almost every 2 weeks, sometimes every week, depending on whatever hairstyle I have, that I'm just like, I need to get into the scalp. I need to moisturize fully. I need to go ahead and scrub and, you know, detangle and all of that. I got to get this out of my head. But my sister was like, they still look good. Why don't you wash your hair with the braids? I did take her advice, and it did get a little fuzzy, but it's nowhere near as bad as I thought it was going to be. So I didn't record when I did wash my hair. It was late at night. I was tired. My bad, y'all. Possibly in the future, when I have some more braids, I'll go through that process, because it was very successful with, you know, me getting my hair super clean. My scalp looks really good. Really good right now. If you guys would like that process, I know I'm going to be getting braids again, so if you'd like to see the wash process that I went through to maintain these braids for almost 10 weeks, then you leave it in the comments below and I will get back to you guys with that video. But today it's time to take these out. I miss my curls, so of course it is time for a curl rejuvenation video. Get these curls back popping. You know how we do in my arsenal of choice this time. Well, you'll just have to see. You ready to get started? Let's go. After shampooing my hair, I grabbed the Fix My Hair Intensive Repair Conditioning Mask. It's enriched with flaxseed, mango butter, shea butter, and a whole bunch of great ingredients to combat my dry, damaged hair.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, make sure that you give me a thumbs up. Also, in the comments below, have you tried Aunt Jackie's curl maintenance to get your curls back popping? I'd love to hear about it. Or tag me in your pics at Blondie's Lipstick. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can keep up with more Blondie's videos that will be coming soon. For all things Blondie's, head to blondieslipstick.com and make sure you follow me all over social media at Blondie's Lipstick. Until next time, mwah!